Hi there, welcome back. Okay, today's video is for my geometry students. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a construction. And we're going to start with the most basic construction, which is how do you create one line and a perpendicular line to it, a line that's at a right angle. All right, so let's get right to it. So first, I want to introduce the modern compass. So this compass has a wheel, this thing moves, and a center to that wheel. Then it has a whole host of circles that let you in centimeters or inches create circles of various radii. And by placing your pencil in any of these holes and then manipulating it around, you create these different circles. Okay, so this is the tool that we're going to be using for our construction. And then it also has a straight edge. Okay, so to create two perpendicular lines, here's how we're starting. We are starting with a simple dot, a dot in the middle of the page. And I'm going to use that dot to anchor my circle. So I'm going to center my circle in that center of my compass. And then I'm going to grab just anywhere in my compass, honestly, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a circle. Okay, having created that circle, I'm going to go through my center here and just anywhere in the world, I'm going to make a line. All right, that line wasn't perfectly through my center, but we're going to move forward anyway. All right, and I'm going to note the end points of that line. So now, to create the line that is perfectly perpendicular to this line, here's how I construct. I take my compass and I center it on one of those lines' endpoints. And then I find the other endpoint of that line inside my compass, and whoom, I make the arc, the new circle that has this diameter as its radius. And now I do it again from the other endpoint of the line. So I center that one, I find it in my compass. There we go. And now, boom, I make that arc being part of a circle. And where these two connect, I make my little mark there. I take my straight edge and I connect from where these two connect to my center. And that constructs a line perpendicular to this line. That's it right there. So I'm going to quickly review those steps. I make a point in the center of my circle. I use my compass to create the circle around that point. I note those two endpoints. I take my compass and the endpoints are now the center. The other endpoint helps me create my new arc. And then I do that again, arc, where these two connect. I draw the line between that and my center, and that is how to construct a perpendicular line. All right, so practice that, come back and do it again with the video, and then look in the comments for links to other videos that use this construction, how to construct a perpendicular line, as the basis for other constructions. Okay, I'll see you soon and keep mathing.